This tutorial will show you how to make a request for an interlibrary loan book through EZBorrow. Navigate to the Gutman Library homepage. When you identify a book that you need for your research, please use the summon search or the classic catalog first to make sure we do not own a copy before requesting it through interlibrary loan. If we do not own a copy, click on interlibrary loan here. The box on the left provides information on how to borrow books. PALCI EZBorrow is listed first because you should start your search here. Generally, EZBorrow books arrive quickly, within 3 to 5 business days, and you can keep them longer with a checkout period of 8 weeks. However, EZBorrow is a group of 50 local libraries, so there is a chance that the book you need is not available from those collections. If that is the case, you can try using Iliad below. Now let's click on EZBorrow. You log into EZBorrow using your university ID number. This can be located on the front of your ID card. Once you are logged in, you can do a search for an author, title, or other keywords. I'm going to do a search for green design from theory to practice. As you can see, the results will start to show up in the middle of the screen. If you see your title in the list, click on the title link. This will open the record for that book. If the book is available to be requested, there will be a red request link at the bottom of the record. Click on this link to request the book. If you would like to see which libraries have the book available, you can click on Display Holdings, but this is not a required step. When your book arrives, you will receive an email in your university email account. All books must be picked up from the Gutman Library Circulation Checkout Desk. If you do not locate your book in the EZBorrow search, try requesting it through the Iliad service instead. If you need more assistance, stop by the library information desk, send an email to ill@philu.edu, or call us at 215-951-2840.